Hello traders, today is the 2nd of December 2023. What a blessing day guys, amazing sunshine in Dubai, and today we have a national holiday in Dubai, and I was about to leave and I decided let me share with you guys how we managed decent profit this week. Alright, so let's dig into let's look at the 4-hour chart first. When I look at the Euro USD, and our buys was short, we have squeezed all this short trade here guys. And if you haven't seen my all of my short analysis review, you will find the video somewhere in my YouTube channel. So yesterday we had such a nice amazing trade, so we were expecting a price action here, and we look at very carefully if the price candlestick pattern. If you look ahead, this candlestick pattern give us the bearish engulfing candle and the market nicely broken, so we had all this pullback. So we bank amazing profit on Euro USD, and let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday. And if you look at the weekly analysis, so you can see our buys was short. Even we tried to take a counter trade which did not work out, just came out of the break even, and then we had this beautiful breakout after that. As explained, my trader that keep taking a pullback, that give us the confirmation we have this beautiful, and even after that, we after banking some profit, I also mentioned to look for another pattern which basically helping our trader not to miss that opportunity. You can see here, so based on the 4-hour as mentioned here, so we have analyzed this market through intraday and help my traders not to miss this opportunity instead of enjoying amazing profit. Alright, so that's the Euro USD, and if you look at the pound dollar, we had amazing trade, no doubt. We had a beautiful yesterday. We had again, if you look at the structure point of view, market has developed. So we had a short trade at the beginning yesterday, bank amazing profit. Once we see the market is respecting the structure, we also had a long trade here. Being an intraday, we try to squeeze as many as opportunities within the structure, so keep based on the 4 hours. So let me share with you how I analyze the market in intraday. And if you look at the pound dollar, as you can see here, we in the right hand side is the 4-hour chart and the left hand side is the intraday. And I just open a trading view just to give you more explanation, but we give all that analysis in real time, so that make us help us to basically not to miss any opportunity. For example, I'll give you an example here. So if you look at here, let me make it smaller. So okay, so if you look at the 4-hour chart and look at the 4-hour here at this area where we're expecting possibility of long trade here, and then we look at the intraday. At that time the market was around this level, so we look at this breakout. So we did this analysis, and afterwards we announced this one when the market developed a structure here. Then we explain our trader not to miss these opportunity and consider banking amazing profit. So if you look at my overall analysis, you can see here we had a short trade, bank amazing profit. Even after that, as you can see here, we explain the price action in detail in intraday. As you can see in this scenario, we did this analysis as explained. The price has broken the previous high, so more high probability, let the market give us the confirmation here, look for pullback. So let's say if the market does not respect this one, then we need a confirmation from the downside, and then we're looking a short. So you can see here, that's why our intraday system help us. If you look at the momentum at the bottom was bullish, did not change to bearish, that give us the high probability of pullback. So we bank amazing profit as soon as the market hit to the profit target. As explained, my trade is amazing, 35 pips bank profit. And after that, we are constantly after banking some profit, we look at the market structure. So you can see here pretty standard and straightforward. We look at the basics price action, and if you look ahead, the market previously respected and pulled back, so there's still possibility, but the market developed a false breakout at this level. And also we did this analysis, as you can see here. So it's a pretty standard and straightforward, guys. You can see here that it's much easier for our traders. We explain them don't initiate any action until the market break the structure. So you can see here, if you look at the market has broken, and after this breakout market retest give us the confirmation, That's the high probability trade, and as soon as the market hit to the previous low, that's when we suggest our traders time to consider banking some pip or move your stop loss at the break even. So you can see here when we broadcast these type of analysis, the market structure explained in more detail. It's much easier for traders to refine the entries and take the maximum benefit from this analysis and bank amazing profit. So once the market banks some profit, and then always we explain to what let the market develop another structure. And as you can see here, as soon as the market impulsively came back, so we said okay, so technically this is what we explained, that we were expecting a pullback around this level, but you can see here the market hasn't developed any pullback. The market developed a false breakout. Now we came back to the previous analysis structure, as you can see here. So I said to my trader, let's wait for that, let the market break this structure. And if that's the case, because in high probability in 4 hour we were expecting possibility of counter long trade. So you can see here the market nicely respected here and beautiful breakout, and after that we have another beautiful pullback, and that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit on pound dollar. Once the market hit this level, you can see here what a beautiful trade, guys. So that's the pound dollar. Let's take one more pair, pound and dollar CAD. Let's talk about the dollar CAD. Alright, so if you look at the dollar CAD 4 hour, our bias was short. We've been enjoying in short trade here. You will find my short review videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, so now if you look at here, that was the pretty yesterday, and we were expecting here the price action at this level. As explained to in more detail to my trader, if the market is going to break, then I'm expecting this sort of price action. Otherwise, pretty standard and straightforward after the breakout pullback short, which is and then we went to the intraday. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market in intraday. Okay, so if we look at the intraday, so you can see here in intraday we've been short here. You can see here every time when the market develop any structure, we're explaining to our trader just keep taking a pullbacks. These type of information help traders to not to miss any opportunity, even if they are trying to see the counter opportunity. Here we explain if the market is going to break, then look for long, otherwise still possibility of pullback. Then as explained, the safest way, let the market break this structure, and then afterward, as soon as the market hit to the profit target, first profit target, and that's what explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. That was a beautiful trade, guys. And afterwards, pretty standard straightforward. As soon as the market, that's more or less the same this analysis, but the market has developed another structure, and as explained my trader, look for another pullback after this breakout. So we explain this pullback and this pullback every time in the market. You can see the market every time break the recent high and low, and if the market retests those levels, that's the high probability of opportunities. So you can see, guys, this is the beautiful trades we had it on Aussie dollar. And let me take you another one. The last one is going to be, because it's going to be too many trades. Let's talk about the dollar yen. Okay, so the dollar yen, we had such a nice beautiful long trade and also short trade here. So as explained to my trader yesterday, we were looking this breakout, and as pretty standard, you can see the market has broken this previous low. If the market break and continuation, we're gonna keep taking, and we have market broken this one here. So that's why we did this box here. Explain my trader, let the market come out from this structure, and then afterwards you can keep enjoying it. So we had this beautiful breakout, and then intraday we just keep taking a pullbacks. So let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries in dollar yen. So okay, so let's talk about the weekly charts. Okay, so that was the beautiful, you can see here. We also had a long trades here. You can see here that was a beautiful long trade, as explained. We had after the breakouts, we're expecting another pullback, pure price action, we bank amazing profit. And as soon as the market reverse impulsively, pretty standard and straightforward, we explain this point of interest and this one. And if the market break one of these point of interest, then enjoy the trade. So you can see here the market nicely respected this one. And if you look at here in terms of pattern point of view, this is a beautiful head and shoulder pattern is defined, and that's what explained my trade. And now it's time to enjoy a short trade here. We had a beautiful short trade as soon as the market hit to the final first target. As explained my trade, it's time to enjoy amazing profit. So after banking some profit, as always explained to my trade, let's wait for the market reaction. That's one of these trades here. You can see this is the same analysis, but you can see after that how many pullbacks. Beautiful, beautiful. We had amazing trade, guys, on dollar yen. Bank amazing profit. Alright guys, that's it for now. I can go through all these 12 pairs, but as you have seen the taste of the analysis, how we analyze the market in 4 hour, and how we analyze the market in intraday every single day. And um, I'm continuously broadcasting short analysis review on my YouTube channel, so every analysis has something to it to learn something. And if you learn it and if you can apply the same price action strategy to any pair or any instruments, and I'm pretty sure you can make amazing profit. Otherwise, most welcome, you can join our fast going to the community, where you can experience all those analysis in real time, and then you can also opportunity bank amazing profit. So most welcome, join our fast going to the community, and have a nice weekend, and I'll see you next week. All the best.